Walmart shares up this week after a rock-solid first quarter report. Ron, same-store sales were looking good. E-commerce sales looking really good.
Is gianter a word?
It is now.
Another strong quarter, Chris. Earnings beat expectations. Sales were light due to weakness overseas, but the U.S. was up 3.3%. Now, international down 4.9%, but if you exclude currency, up 1.2%. Not too shabby. Comp sales up 3.4%, but e-commerce is the big number here, up 37%. And there are costs associated with that, but still a very strong quarter.
Well, and you look at the investments they have been making in e-commerce, Andy, and they've been piling up these types of quarters for a while now. I can't think of a single quarter where they just knocked it out of the park with e-commerce being up like 80% or something like that. But you start stacking up these 20, 30% gains and it pays off.
Guys, I think Walmart is the Microsoft equivalent from 2015. And Doug McMillon may be like the Satya Nadella of 2019.
Wow.
I mean, you look at the investments they're making e-commerce wise. Flipkart, they have a new Walmart.com experience. They now have pickup at 2,400 stores. They have a Walmart voice order through Google Assistant you can now use. They're working on next day delivery. They are making these investments in e-commerce. He is trying, Doug McMillon, the CEO, trying to grow Walmart into a company that can compete against not just Amazon, but compete in a digital space more than ever so before.
Yeah, we were saying this week on Market Foolery. I mean, Walmart has to make these investments, right? I mean, this is something they have to do. But I thought the timing was impeccable for Jeff Bezos on May 14th to tweet out, "Hey, we're investing $1.5 billion in our new air hub to get you your packages faster. 3 million square feet, and it's going to create 2,000 jobs. And if you're guessing that driving a front loader was fun, you're right." So, I mean, it was just very well timed. And I think it all goes back to this point that, I mean, yes, it's great to see Walmart doing this. They really kind of have to. But I think this also really works out well for consumers because as they get bigger, specifically Amazon, you know, you're seeing some complaints about turnaround time and shipping schedules and people not getting their packages in the day or 2 days that they were promised. Now, with Walmart upping their game, there's going to be a little bit more choice there.
Yeah, it really seems like Walmart is closing the gap with Amazon. And in doing so, Ron, is maybe separating themselves from Target.
Well, for sure. You can buy Target now for 12 times earnings, by the way, and you'll have to pay, up like 21 times for Walmart. So you can see it just in the valuation. But, they started to roll out next day delivery across the country for more than 200,000 items. That's a big differentiator, as you mentioned, compared to Target. But comp sales, I just want to bring it back to the traditional metric, up 3.4%, best in 9 years for Walmart. These numbers are really strong. And if we ignore international just a little bit because of the currency fluctuations, it's a really strong report.